seen this land all day, all the way from New Orleans to New Jerusalem. But I traveled through East Texas, where many martyrs fell. I can tell you one thing, nobody can sing the blues like blind little men do. Well, I heard that hoot owl singing as they were taking down the church. The stars above the bell tree was his only audience. Them charcoal gypsy men can strut their feathers well. I can tell you one thing, nobody can sing the blues like blind Willie McTell. Woman down by the river with some fine young handsome man. He's dressed up like a squire, bootleg whiskey in his hand. Some of them died in the battle, some of them survived as well. I can tell you one thing, nobody can sing the blues like a blind Willie McTell. You know, God is in his heaven. We all want what's his. The power of greed and corruptible seed seem to be all that there is. I'm gazing out